Looking to build a website for your cell phone accessory store? You're in the right spot. Keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your cell phone accessory store. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to launch that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Can't find your market listed over here? Drop a comment below and let us know so we can make sure that we add it. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market now, cell phone accessory store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will work its magic and create a website for you with the information you've just put in and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, don't worry about that. I'm going to close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, you can change the images. You can change the content as well that was pre-written to make it more suitable for your business. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. You don't even have to be that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. I want to make sure that this email address, I'm going to put in a few contact details over here. I want that email address to be visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address and tick that box at the bottom to display my email address on my website. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links there on the left is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make edits to it by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can actually make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section at the top. To change the colors used throughout your multi-sites website, you don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, click on Update section. Underneath Update Images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's literally hundreds of free high-quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a business profile. Underneath Update Action, we have those buttons where you can edit them, the text on the buttons, where they're linked. You can even upload a PDF file in that section. In the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your cell phone accessory store. Head on over to update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display your opening hours here for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow connect your domain button. If you don't have a custom domain, well, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the multi-sites platform by clicking on that button as well. How convenient is that? I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-sites platform for your cell phone accessory store, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.